welcome to Sadie's Spincraft. I look a bit of a mess today, but I really don't care. It's one of them days. It's my life tonight, and I'm going to be in my jammies, so why not? So, first of all, I got two. I already opened the package, but I didn't open the package. So, I thought I was getting a sneaky peek, but I wasn't. So, for some reason, the filming's a bit funny. We shall start with this one. I'm not going to open it all because it's all... Now this is BFL and C-Cell. And it's hand-dyed, isn't it? Yeah. And it's by Variable Difference. So it's 70% Blueface Leicester and 30% C-Cell. Oh, it's lovely. Doesn't smell of anything. You can tell it's been hand dyed and washed. Can't wait to try that out. Look at that. Beautiful. And she's a girl after my own heart. She has gone and chain plied it. Well, not plied, chain braided. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, that is, like I said, Variable Difference. I got these off Etsy. And I didn't show you the other day. I did it on the live, but not on here. So, I'll show you. These arrived the other day, which is Polworth in several different colours. And Ile de France. Look at that, beautiful. Ooh. And that'll be getting spun. And these are Wonderful Wool. These are off Etsy as well. And this one's from Wonderful Wool also, because I've got a thing for Wonderful Wool. She does some beautiful hand dyeing. She's got some beautiful blends at some very reasonable prices. So, I bought Merino Tencel, hand dyed, 2 lots, and 100 gram merino fibre. Yeah. That doesn't tell me a lot. So these are the Wonderful Wools. Look at this. She braids them properly. Takes forever to open them. It's the only thing that I find annoying. But yeah, beautiful dye jobs on these. So this is merino, 21 microns. Oh, it's soft. Lovely. So hopefully I'll have enough to spin this next couple of months. This is Merino and Tencel. 100 grams. I'll do that. Look at that. Look at that for a colourway. We'll start at this end. We'll go all the way across. Oh, that is just lush. Loving that. And the last but not least, oh, she's given me some buttons. Oh, and I like the little label. Just says birds. And this is Wonderful Wool as well, like I say. I do like her stuff. And this is merino and tencel again. So we'll start at this end. And look at it all. Beautiful. Look at that. And then a bit more. Wow. Beautiful colours. Cannot wait to give that a try. I'm not sure what the tencel is. I think it's a bit like a silk or a bamboo. But it's gorgeous. Well, you'll more than likely see all them spun up or reblended into a different row lag or dazed or added with other fibres, because we just don't know what comes in the future. So, thank you all very much for joining me. Don't forget, leave a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Down below will be linked my Facebook, Instagram, Amazon wishlist. And for those out there that would like to support me in, say, buying some fibre or whatever, there is the PayPal there to just, if you want to pop £1 or £2 in, it all goes towards the fibre. And you will all see it on here, and you will all see it getting either dyed or spun. And you'll see my hands getting dyed with all the lovely colours because my gloves decided to split. So yeah, have fun, enjoy your fibre, enjoy your day. Love and hugs, and stay safe. Goodbye all.